Hey everybody, and welcome to day number 10 of the Newton Mudroom project. So we had some weather yesterday, and that kind of delayed us a little bit. So first thing we did today was we decided that we were going to take out this cabinet and blow open this wall into the kitchen. And the reason we did that was because we didn't want to get hit by any surprises here come the end of the week, just because the electricians are coming on Monday and all the framing has to be done. So I got some pictures up here that kind of show you the progress of removing that cabinet and how we then took out the support frames. And then we just took and we framed it in here, so it's going to be no molding in here. It's just going to be a metal edge on the drywall, and it's just going to curve right in. So it's going to be a nice smooth transition, and you see our full height right there where it is. And then it's going to go a little bit higher, but that's basically where our soffit has to be. We've been doing some work on the outside. We have to reskin this and put new shingles in here because there just wasn't enough meat between here and the house. So that wasn't something that was expected, but it's not too big of a project because we were going to cedar shingle the front of this and the door that we're removing outside. So you see the kitchen door in the pictures, and that door is going to come out tomorrow, and the same thing. That's going to get boarded up, and it's going to get skinned, it's going to get felt papered, and then it's going to get the cedar shingles put onto it. So that was what we did end of day 10 here. And tomorrow we're going to continue blending this in and getting all the rest of the framing, or what we call the critical framing, up, and that's where they're going to be putting in all of the electrical and all of that. And I'll actually just post a picture of what the electrical plot's going to look like for this, in case anybody's interested. And then yeah, ask me any questions if you got questions. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.